How to turn on other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on other notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings here, and now click notifications and click other notifications. And now all you need to do is just turn everything on, and here just go back and it will be saved, and it's easy of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.